In today's lesson 3.1, we're going to take a look at fractions, decimals, and percents. Percent is a ratio comparing a number to 100. So 50% as a fraction is 50 over 100. And that can be simplified to 1/2. To change 50% to a decimal, you just move the decimal 2 places to the left. So the decimal is right here, and we're going to go over 2 spots to the left. So 50% as a decimal is 0.5. So continuing on with 25%, 25% as a fraction is 25 100ths, and 25 goes into 25 and 100, so it's simplified to 1/4. Then to get the decimal, write 25, and percent would be the decimal is here, so you move it over 2 spots to the left, so it's 0.25. 10% to a fraction would be 10 over 100. Then 10 goes into 10 once, and 10 goes into 100 10 times. So the fraction is 1/10. The decimal of 10% is, write the 10 down. The decimal starts here, and it goes over 2 spots to right here. To convert a decimal to a percent, all you do is move the decimal 2 spots to the right, so 0.75 is 75%. Let's look at number 8. We do the same thing. From decimal to percent, just move the decimal 2 spots to the right, so that is 5%. Number 9, decimal to percent again. Move the decimal 2 spots to the right. 1, 2. 0.2 decimal is 20%. Let's go to number 12 on this last one that we're going to do on decimal to percent. From decimal to percent, 2 spots to the right, 1, 2. So 1.75 from decimal to percent is 175%.